start with the information that is if a disaster like a train accident or is there is a railway accident, so how will you manage that accident or what are the things that will be affected because of a railway accident. So first thing was pertaining to the environment. सबसे पहले तो environment में क्या डैमेज होने वाला है. So if I talk about environment, so there will be destruction of the entire surrounding. पूरा surrounding जो है वहाँ का that will be damaged. If I talk about the administration, so administrative level पे क्या हो जाएगा, there will be disruption of the rail traffic. यानी कि अगर एक पटरी पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया है और there is some kind of an accident has happened because of which the train is halted at that place. So what will happen is the next train won't be able to arrive unless the entire thing is cleared from the track. So administrative level पे क्या problem हो जाएगा, disruption of the rail traffic. Political issues भी आएंगे. So you all know about it. इंडिया में कोई भी मैटर रहता है, we drag it into politics. So political issue में क्या आ जाएगा, the Ministry of Railway has to take the responsibility of whatever has happened. जो भी हुआ है उसका responsibility लेना पड़ेगा. And then medical terms, if we talk about the medical terms, so what happens is there might be a lot of injuries and few deaths or many deaths depending upon the severity of the accident. And lastly, the social. So socially what happens is if we listen about any kind of train accident that has happened or many life has been there has been many death or injuries, so what happens is we get emotionally and mentally stressed out or we get mentally disturbed. The reason behind that is we feel that whenever we are traveling, so this might be the same scenario which is happening with us as well. So this is the actually a concept map which explains the effect of disaster on railway accident. So your question also comes like this, that depending upon the information given in a concept map, explain the various effect of the disaster of railway accident. So what they can give is they can give a photo of the accident or they can give something like a map and they will ask you कि ये railway accident को तुम लोग define करो and try to categorize it into environment, administration, political, medical and social situations. So ये बात सबको clear हो गई है. The nature and the scope of disaster, I have talked the different phases last time in the last lecture. That was a pre-disaster phase, warning phase, then emergency phase, rehabilitation was the fourth one, the fifth was recovery phase and sixth is reconstruction phases. So these are the six phases which is actually the scope of disaster. What we are doing is we are categorizing the disaster in various time span that we are if I talk about the first phase which is the pre-disaster phase, it means the disaster is more likely to happen, we are not sure whether it will happen or not, so we will be discussing about the pre-disaster management. So pre-disaster क्या हो जाता है, people are made aware through various medias, that is social media, weather forecasting होता है by television, internet, mobile phones, various modes are right now present because of which we will come to know about the disaster. Like we know the asteroid that is I told you all in the earlier lecture OR2 which was about to hit the earth, like that there was a message circulation but NASA clarified it कि it will be very far from the earth. So like this we know that social media is always beneath us which will give us the nothing much to discuss. Pre-disaster itself says that people will have to get aware about the disaster which might occur. Second would be if we are aware about the disaster, what next? So now the next is the warning phase. So warning phase, so that's what the warning phase is about, that if supposedly we are talking about a disaster which is the flood. So flood, if the flood is happening, so what can be the warning phase? The warning would be given to the fishermen, the warning would be given to the water transport, the boats and everyone, that not to get into the water because there can be an arrival of flood any time in the water, so avoid doing that. So it is just a warning, a literal warning to the people concerned with that area. Emergency phase, now you all know emergency कब आता है, when the thing has occurred, actually the thing has occurred, so that I will call as emergency phase. So for emergency phase what we will do is, supposedly the flood has occurred, like I said emergency मतलब हो गया है वो जो disaster था. So what will happen is we will try to rescue. So you have to remember this word. Rescuing is very important for emergency. The people who are trapped over there, they have to rescued, or they might also be affected and there might death occur. So with all the disaster, there are some people who gets trapped somewhere, who seeks the help of everyone. So that is the emergency phase. Nothing should be thought about. We should directly see how many lives can we save at that time. Emergency हो गया. Then the rehabilitation phase we have. So rehabilitation we have and recovery phase. So let me tell you all, अब इसमें होता क्या है ना कि the nature of disaster, if we understand, so we have only three things in our hand. So what three things are there? We can only talk about the emergency. We don't know much about the warning phase. हमको इससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. The warning will be given by the concerned department. Pre-disaster management will also be done by the forestry or whatever the department is concerned. What we can do is we have to stay active in the other three phases, that is emergency, rehabilitation and recovery phases. So this is your 5 marks answer, that please explain phase of emergency, the rehabilitation and the reconstruction phase in detail. So now let us elaborate the three phases which is in our control or where we can do our part, that is the phase of emergency. So if anyone asks me about what is your role or what can you do in phase of emergency, so let me tell you, it is that phase where the gravity of disaster can be estimated. I mean, what is the scope or what is the magnitude of the disaster that will happen will actually be known over here only, because before there was just a guesswork which was going around. Now actually the thing has come, so we will know over there कि gravity जो हमारा disaster है वो कितना बड़ा हो सकता है. Okay, now we know about this. Now the in what happens in emergency is the various actions like search and rescue operations, medical assistance, then the first aid, restoring communication services, removing the people from affected area are the things to be carried out. What we are doing is जो injured हो गए उनको first aid provide करो. Then after that अगर किसी को communication चाहिए, they want to assure their family about their well-being, so that we should do. So various rescue operations can be done. Providing the food to people who are trapped since long time, food and water is also a count of this phase of emergency. And if we are very active, if we are very much keen about saving the life, so what happens is maximum number of life can be saved in the phase of emergency, because we know that the disaster has taken place just now, so many of the injured people might still be alive. So if we are able to reach to that person and give them all the medical facilities, we can save that life. So what I say is that the phase of emergency is the phase where maximum life can be saved. Now second phase we are starting, I mean the next after that emergency, that is rehabilitation. So this phase, rehabilitation, is also called as the transitional phase, means a phase in between the emergency and the recovery. So that is why it is called as transitional. So यू कैन राइट दिस रिकवरी, यानी कि इंसिडेंस हो गया है और रिकवरी, उसके बीच में जो फेज है, सो रिहेबिलिटेशन. So let us see the activities that can occur in the rehabilitation. So rehabilitation क्या होता है कि any type of disaster which has ended, जो disaster था वो खत्म हो चुका है, so after that several works are carried out so that the things are getting back to normal. क्या हो जाएगा उसमें, सबसे important part हो जाएगा the cleaning of the debris, that is the kachra patti and everything has to be cleaned which is been created because of the disaster. So debris is the waste material or the leftover of any disaster. So you have to clean the debris first of all. Then because the disaster has occurred, if we are talking about flood or any kind of thing, so we have to restore the water supply. The water supply has to be restored because it is the most essential part. We can survive without food, but we cannot survive without water for longer period of time. रोड अगर टूट गया रहेगा तो रिपेयरिंग ऑफ रोड ऑकर्स, ये हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. दिस इज बीन डन बाय द म्युनिसिपल और कॉर्पोरेशंस, by the corporators of the area. And then these are the various things which happens in the rehabilitation phase. We won't spend much time in discussing this part. And next directly we are discussing about the reconstruction phase. So this is an important phase, reconstruction. So reconstruction phase में क्या हो जाएगा, ये फेज में कैसा हो जाता है कि दिस इज वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, पीपल आर सेइंग व्हाई, बिकॉज इट टोटली डिपेंड्स अपॉन व्हाट वाज द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ डिजास्टर. कितना बड़ा डिजास्टर था उसके हिसाब से रिकंस्ट्रक्शन अप्लाई होगा. सो what I say is rehabilitation was also a part of reconstruction only. रिकंस्ट्रक्शन में ही रिहेबिलिटेशन भी आता है, बिकॉज वी सॉ देयर वाज कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रोड्स एंड एवरीथिंग. रिकंस्ट्रक्शन में ही रिहेबिलिटेशन भी आता है, बिकॉज वी सॉ. सो रिहेबिलिटेशन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ रिकंस्ट्रक्शन. अदर देन दैट व्हाट वी कैन सी इज people can build the water supply, their buildings, the houses which were broken down. Then the farming has to be restarted. फार्मिंग मतलब पहले मैंने क्या किया, रिहेबिलिटेशन में आई मेड एन अश्योरिटी ऑफ द वाटर सप्लाई. नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ फार्मिंग आई कैन मेक एन अश्योरिटी ऑफ द फूड सप्लाई, बिकॉज दिस इज द बेसिक नीड. So understand this thing, the three basic need of human is food, then the clothing, and the roti kapda makan ho jata hai. So what I am doing is, in over the we saw the supply of the water coming up in the rehabilitation phase. Now in the reconstruction phase there will be the farming, that is the supply of the food should be assured, the houses should be built properly, clothing or everything that was damaged should be should get back to the normal in the reconstruction phase. 3. So we see they have asked you various disasters experience. So in that we will have to talk about the disaster which can take place. So the biggest disaster was World War II that occurred. That was because of the establishment of the superpower to show that I am superior. Again, because of the religious differences, races problem is there. So disaster पे disaster हो रहा है. Energy, if there is any problem with the atomic radiations and all that, we have discussed in the chapter number 5 towards green energy what can happen. I showed you all a picture also of the atomic release. देन डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है अगर कोई ऐसा एटॉमिक जैसा डिज़ास्टर हो जाता है. सो वी विल बी टॉकिंग प्रिसाइजली अबाउट द टू डिज़ास्टर्स. एक तो इन 2014 ह्यूज लैंडस्लाइड ऑकर्ड इन द विलेज मलिन विलेज था आंबेगांव डिस्ट्रिक्ट में. वहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा डिज़ास्टर हुआ था, पुणे में आता है ये. देन चर्नोबिल गैस लीकेज. सो टू ऑफ द थिंग्स वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट. So this is that phase of the disaster which I was talking about, Malin, Pune district. So this was a landslide. If you all can see, half of the house is visible to you all and half is not visible. So half of the entire land it was like fallen deep into the valley. So that is what we know as the disaster. So this is one disaster which we were about to discuss that happened in Pune, because of which many lives were affected. So what do you all suggest seeing this picture? So this is the picture of Chernobyl atomic gas leakage. I had already shown you all a picture which was in towards green energy. I discussed about what can happen if there is atomic leakage. That picture and as well as this picture, they both belong to Chernobyl. There was a great blast over there due to atomic leakage, and I have told you all earlier कि बहुत सारा evacuations वहाँ से लोगों को हटा दिया था. Let me tell you, Chernobyl, this is a place which belongs to Ukraine. So this is one kind of disaster which should never occur with Mumbai, because Mumbai is like a very small place, and if there is any leakage in the Baba Atomic Research Center, so God only knows कितने लोग उसमें मरने वाले हैं, कितने डैमेज होने वाले हैं. So what do you all suggest seeing this picture, or what is the actually scenario? ये कब का केस है? So this is a situation which is of Mumbai, 26 July 2005. Flooding occurred in Mumbai. So there were many reasons. See, the Mumbai. If I ask you all about the most likely kind of disaster to occur in Mumbai is, so it would be this what we call as flooding. The reason behind that is because Mumbai is very close to the sea coast. Mumbai is in proximation to the sea coast. So see, there are always advantage and disadvantages of having sea around us. So the advantage is during the low tide, the sea has the tendency of pulling all the water inside. So because of which, कितना भी बारिश हो जाए, the entire water will be soaked by the sea if it is low tide. So there won't be any flooding if there is low tide. And if there is a high tide, so high tide literally says that the water is high, so it won't take the water from the city into the sea. And on the contrary, it would also pour the water from the sea on the city. तो होता क्या है, एक तो फ्लडिंग हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द रेन, देर इज हेवी रेनफॉल, एंड इवन द सी टेंड्स टू पुट out the water of the sea into the city. So because of which the flooding can be a scenario. So always there is a positive and the negative side of having the sea around us. I hope you all have understood 26 July क्यों हुआ था, because there was a lot heavy rainfall, because of which the sea was not taking the water inside, and during that time there were very bad uses of plastics and all that, so most of the gutter were jammed because of that, so the water could not pass. And moreover, the sea also pushed the water from the sea into the city, so that led to this situation. You all can see the person, only the neck is visible, the rest everything is inside the water. By mystically, if he puts his leg into the gutter, so he's completely gone inside, no one will be able to find. So there were many deaths in thousands of the humans itself. And then if I talk about the animals, there is no counting how many animals died.